COVID-19 has left most of us baffled deep within. Most of us begin our days with a to-do list and yet find it challenging to accomplish most of it by the end of the day. Let's understand these are challenging times and each one of us is completely unaware of how the next week, the next day, or even the next hour is going to pan out and how we are going to respond each time. Look at how our work life has changed from commuting, interacting with people, and working for 10 to 12 hours every day to sitting at homes in front of our computers, having little interaction and filled with constant distractions every now and then. The 10 hours of work at office takes close to 15 hours to complete at home. These are radical changes to our lifestyle that has been built over the years. So when you look at your to-do list and feel disappointed, just remember to be a little lenient on yourself at this time. The changes and unknown factors are way too high right now. You could accomplish everything on a single day or literally nothing on some days because these are not normal times. But this could be the new normal and we will have to learn to evolve to this. To begin, let's understand if the non-accomplishment of your to-do list is a result of your procrastination or laziness, or is it a result of being baffled and terrified of the new normal. As for the former, the lockdown has only exemplified our inner character. To resolve this challenge, begin by setting non-negotiable timelines to every task on your to-do list and build a personal commitment to it. Then, break the task to smaller milestones, and as you see yourself reaching the milestones, it will build a sense of accomplishment within and drive you further ahead. As for the new normal, let's accept the crisis we are in and understand the new normal. Let's say work from home is a new normal. We will gradually learn and adapt to it. During the initial days of lockdown, many people were baffled by the new environment and accomplished little. While today, they are able to accomplish over 75% of their work. We humans are blessed with this beautiful ability to adapt and evolve to every adversity that arises. That's the need of the hour. We have to learn to adapt to these changing times and learn to evolve in these times. That's when everything on your to-do list will get accomplished when you are ready to learn.